Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we are using and mixing the color of black. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the alphabet of A. First we are using black color and draw the alphabet of A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. And the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw the alphabet of G. G for God. We again use the color of black. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw I. And the next one is J. The next one is K. K for kite. Kids, now we are using the color of green. Now we use green color and draw the alphabet of K. The next one is L. And now we draw M. The next one is N for nose, N for nest. Now we draw O, the alphabet of O. The next one is P. Now we draw Q. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. The next one is T. Now we draw U. And the next one is V. Green color. The next one is W. Now we draw the alphabet of W. X, Y, and the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.